See what I'm talking about? That is not small. And that just goes right down into the clay. Hello, this is Fred of Just One More Rock. Thanks for joining me once again. Well, today is one of these days where I'm nursing a blown out back. Last week, which the video will be out in a little while, we went out to one of my favorite spots, but it is a lot of work getting out of that canyon, and I might have just carried out too much for the family and hurt myself in the days after. So the best thing for my back is walking. So I got myself out to an easy location, closest one to my house. I have no expectations of finding anything because it's very populated, but what the heck, maybe I have the eye. So let's get out there, see what we can find, and take care of this back. And oh yes, we must thank Mother Nature for the beauties that she shares, and we appreciate being here, and we hope that you will share some nice things with us today. Okay, that's just funny. Does that not look like a face? That nose in the middle, and there's a snail on each one of its cheeks. I don't know, or maybe those are the eyes. Either way, it's funny looking. Caught my attention. Well, I think it's time to cross the creek, get wet, and get over to that other bank. Let's go. Up over a log. Let's do it. We're wet now. There's definitely lots of evidence of human activity around here. Tons of broken concretions, whether it be rock hounders looking for some fossils or whether it be just kids having fun breaking rocks. I know my kids did when they were younger. So who knows? But as I said, I don't really expect to find much because I imagine it's been raked over pretty hard. Check that out. Big concretion. Let's go see. What's in the middle? Who knows? Cool. Check this out. I think we're only talking about a couple big concretion pieces stuck in the clay, but that's cool looking. I think that's concretion. Let me give you an idea of what we're talking about. I gotta get a little wet here to step over to the So here's my foot. Oh, let's see. See what I'm talking about? That is not small. And that just goes right down into the clay. And it almost looks like the other piece, whether it be the same one or otherwise, is coming out this side. And that is big as well. Crazy. Well, I did have someone to keep me company. Yeah, maybe he's the next one up on the name game. Well, as far as rocks go, it was a bust. But I did get out. Nature's always wonderful. And again, taking care of my back. Well, remember, when you think it's time to go, there's usually just one more rock. Take care, everyone.